Hi nail art lovers, welcome back to my channel and to another video. And it just feels like it's been forever since I got anything new stamping plate wise. Now I do have some more ordered from the nail artisan, something 4th of July, some Paddy's Day and a Nubris Chic collection. But in the meantime I got my hands on only one of the new Lina nail art supply stamping place. Now I think it was 8 she came out with, but only one seemed to really catch my eye this time. Now there was probably 4 that I would have liked, but this is the only one that I loved, and this is a totally negative plate. It's called Totally Negative 02, so it's obviously her second one. And it comes in those sleeves. I've gone through them before, that's just to keep them safe. They also come with a clear plastic film so the plates don't get scratched. So we will just take that off. Try not to scratch my lovely plate while I'm doing it. Always holding the plate down as well, and just stops it from bending. Now I would always just clear that plate off then with some pure acetone before I go ahead and stamp. Now it does dull it up a little bit, but that's okay. So we will just fly through the images really quickly so we can have a look at what she's put on it. I really like this floral one here. This one, but this one is what draws me in straight off the bat. I loved that one, and these little polka dot daisies are super cute. That one as well. I do love this, like kind of like fallen holly, growing ivy. It's really pretty. So it is quite floral, like apart from a few intricate designs, it is a floral demask plate. So let's get to swatching. I have some pre-done nail pops in, and I have some stamping polishes, hit the bottles, and my clear stamper and scraper. So we will just see how they stamp. I just have put some white paper down so I can be as messy as I want. So these are the few images that I chose to pick up off the plate. Of course I didn't swatch everything, but the ones I did swatch I found seriously pretty. It's going to be very hard to choose which one of these I'm going to put on my actual nails. I will do a quick over glitter nail tutorial with one of these designs next. I am dying to use that green iridescent bell glitter polish or glitter from Magpie Glitters, so I think I will throw it out on my nails and stamp with this plate next. So if you want to see that, don't forget to hit the bell and the subscribe button, because that will be coming up soon. But until the next one, stay safe. We'll see you soon. Bye.